Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi, Stephanie, and welcome to your first quick tip here at Sayezz Pilates and beyond. I get a lot of questions during class and even here on YouTube. How can I modify this to feel better? So the first one that I get a lot, because I do this position a lot, is I work with some clients and even myself that our big toe joint sometimes doesn't feel good when it's flexed in that demi-point position. And I tend to really like this position, this floating tabletop position, which really asks a lot of that big toe joint. So a way to modify and help support our feet and toes and the position is to grab a half roller. Now, if you don't have a half roller, a pillow will do, a more firm pillow will do, or a folded pillow, or a pair of blocks. Fine. I like the roller because it actually massages a little bit of the lower leg as we do this modification. So what we're gonna do with your pillows, your blocks, your half roller, I'm gonna move back a little bit, is take the whole foot, even the ankle bones all the way over, so we're on the really low part of the shin there. Maybe shake out the wrists, find that tabletop plank position, take a breath, push down through your hands, down through those shins. Now they're really low shins. We don't even have to think about the feet. We can work toward the toes, but if we're having a day where, they're just not having it, whoo, does this position, number one, help our feet and toes, but also really helps us focus on our center. It really pulls the emphasis there. So I hope you enjoy this first quick tip. I'm just gonna keep, as questions come or as things come up in class, I'm just gonna keep throwing them on here. And as always, thank you subscribers for being here. Thank you new subscribers. Fresh, full videos drop every Wednesday, so hit that bell. Thanks so much for joining.